Hi guys, here's Andy from Crypto Dealers, and now I'm going to talk about what we can expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So first of all, congrats if you followed me on the trade that I mentioned in the last video. I can show you over here on Phemex almost $3,000 in a profit, as you can see right now. If you also want to trade, use the links in the description for the highest available bonuses. So let me show you guys. I told you in yesterday's video that we broke down out of this symmetrical triangle, okay? But we have this big support zone here, and as I've mentioned in yesterday's video, because the RSI was very low, the potential to get a pump was very high, okay? Then we had this breakout again in this symmetrical triangle at about $27,400, and now we even managed to break above this upper resistance line, and as of right now we are at the price of about $28,400. So the next big resistance comes in at $28,800 because we touched it a couple of times already and we always got rejected, okay? So if you're in a trade, it's never wrong to take some profits, especially if you go even higher and reach this blue resistance line here. Or you just wait how the market reacts, and if we break above the $28,800 level, then you could potentially even scale up your trades, because this would be a very bullish scenario, okay? So let me show you Ethereum, also very bullish breakout. Let me show you. We touched yesterday exactly the lower support line of this descending channel. Then this huge green area is a strong support zone. As you can see, a lot of hourly closes and also wicks, and then we got a huge pump to the upside. We broke this resistance at $1,763, and now we perfectly managed to reach this green zone up here, which now acts as resistance. As you can see, we tried to touch it a couple of times with hourly closes and some wicks. Now the big question will be, will Ethereum be able to break above it, okay? So we have to wait and see what the market does. If we are able to break above this and get, let's say, at least a 4-hourly close above this zone, then you could potentially scale up your trades, because this would be really bullish. As you can see here, the last couple of times we always got rejected, but as you might know, the more often a support or resistance lines as more often they get tested, the more likely they are to be broken. So this could be happening right now, as you can see, because we are actually in the middle of the zone, and a small pump would push us above this zone, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.